Parsley's medicinal properties. Parsley is an herb that was discovered many years ago as both a medicinal herb as well as a spice that is used for its culinary purpose to prepare many kinds of dishes. Its broad spectrum of uses is due to the great amount of vitamins and minerals it possesses. Among parsley's main properties, a chief characteristic is that it helps to keep our breath fresh and awaken our appetite, but pay close attention because parsley has many more medicinal properties. Parsley is a medicinal herb. Parsley possesses vitamins and minerals that are very important and beneficial to help us to prevent and combat many types of diseases. The most commonly known uses of parsley are the following. Parsley is an herb that has the ability to protect the liver and intestines from different types of cancer that could affect them. Their anti-carcinogenic properties are found in one of its components, which is known as myristicin. Furthermore, parsley also protects the brain by preventing tumors that can appear at any time. Parsley possesses important properties that stimulate digestion. It is an antiflatulent and it is carminative. Likewise, it helps to expel excess gas, which helps to prevent us from feeling heavy. It also helps the body to eliminate toxins that have accumulated, and it especially helps to protect our kidneys by preventing kidney stones from the growing. It possesses powerful antioxidants that protect our cells from aging. At the same time, it keeps our skin healthy, since this plant contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It is a great help for people who have acne, spots on their skin or other related problems. It is also a great food because it provides us with minerals like phosphorus, calcium, iron and sulfur. It also contains large amounts of vitamin C and beta-carotene, which are very important vitamins that strengthen our immune system. Parsley consumption helps you to prevent disease. It prevents anemia. It prevents and alleviates bladder infections. It is a great help to the digestive system. It keeps our kidneys healthy. It prevents bad breath. It greatly helps to treat our arthritis. It purifies the blood. It is a natural diuretic. It reduces the production of gases. It has the ability to relieve indigestion. It is a great protector of and stimulant of the immune system. How should parsley be used? One of the appropriate uses of parsley is to eat it fresh because when parsley is frozen or dried, it can lose many of its healthy and nutritional properties. Benefits are obtained from eating parsley directly. If it is being used to treat digestive problems and to prevent bad breath, eating a few leaves of the plant should suffice. Parsley tea. Two tablespoons of parsley are mixed with 2 cups of boiling water. This mixture is left to steep for a short time and it is drained before drinking. This tea can be drunk twice per day. Do you make smoothies? If you drink smoothies, this is an ideal ingredient to add and enjoy any time of day. Furthermore, you can incorporate parsley into all of the foods that you eat daily.